Riding the TTC in Toronto has never been easier. But did you know you can leave your Presto card at home? If you've ever found yourself at a subway station gate or boarding a streetcar with an empty balance, there's a seamless solution right in your pocket. You can now pay your fare using a debit card, credit card, or even your mobile wallet. By simply tapping your card or phone on the green Presto readers, you're charged the standard adult fare of $3.30, the exact same price as a Presto card. This is perfect for visitors or occasional riders who want to skip the hassle of buying a physical transit card. One of the best features is the automatic 2-hour transfer window. Once you tap, the system remembers your card's unique ID, allowing you to hop on and off the system as much as you want for 120 minutes without being charged again. However, you must stay consistent. If you start your journey with your physical card and try to transfer using your phone's mobile wallet, the system will treat it as a brand new trip and charge you twice. You should also keep an eye on your banking app. It's common to see a temporary pre-authorization hold, sometimes up to $6 right after you tap. Don't worry, this isn't a permanent charge. It usually settles back to the actual $3.30 fare within a day or two. Just remember to keep your phone charged, as fare inspectors will need to tap your device to verify your payment. If you qualify for student or senior discounts, stick with a dedicated Presto card, as debit readers only process full adult fares.
Scan complete. Thank
Finally,
you. Have a
avoid the
safe
common
journey.
mistake of card clash. Never tap your entire wallet against the reader, or you might accidentally pay for your ride twice across different cards. Simply pull out your preferred card or use your phone for a smooth, stress-free commute.